Discover credit card activation online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to activate your Discover's credit card online, here is the process to do so. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and type in Discover credit card activation. Tap on the very first link, which is how to activate a credit card. Tap on the link activate credit card or new Discover card option and it'll take you to this page. There are two ways by which you can activate your card. You can either proceed without logging in or proceed by logging in. If you do not want to log in, you'll have to provide different details such as card number, expiration number, sequence ID number, and primary card member information. After you have done all of this, you can solve the CAPTCHA and your card will be activated. Likewise, if you wish to log in, you have to provide your credentials and then the sequence number. After that, provide the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit sequence number from your physical card. Then, after, you have to provide the date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on Continue. And once that is done, your Discover credit card will be successfully activated and ready for use. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.